Hi all, let us discuss today's Hindu editorial. You would have heard about the term Joshimath at Uttarakhand leading to land subsidence. Land subsidence means imagine you have a piece of land like that. Suddenly, any part of the land falls inside and it becomes hollow. So this is what is land subsidence means, and scientists and geologists says that this is because of the disruption to the ground. For example, say if we are digging in the ground too much, there is an imbalance in the geology of the ground and that leads to subsidence. Also, a sucking of too much of groundwater also creates a lot of imbalance in the earth's geological structure and subsidence happens. This is not the first time subsidence is happening in India. There are historically a lot of other places where this has witnessed. It has been happened already in Jaria, Burkunda, Kapasara, Raniganj and Talchar coal mines. So wherever, example, it has already happened in coal mines from Delhi and Kolkata due to the over extraction of groundwater is what they are telling, and also from Mehsana for hydrocarbons. So last year, land in Chamba, Himachal Pradesh has begun to sag like this shortly after a hydroelectric power project had begun its test runs. So calling this into question, the effects of Tapovan Vishnugad facility near Joshimath in Uttarakhand. So they are telling if this subsidence is a consequence of this Tapovan Vishnugad facility that is situated is what they are telling. And in later on, historically in 2010, what happened was after a tunnel boring machine, it has nicked an underground aquifer near Joshimath. So this has happened already. That led to substantial water discharge. So two researchers has written about this, telling that such a sudden and large scale dewatering of the strata has the potential to trigger ground subsidence in the region is what they have told. So we are encouraging a lot of tourism across the country, and in order to facilitate tourism we have been constructing a lot of dams. So that is also contributing to the factor of subsidence. So we all know that by 2070 India is marching towards going carbon free, and we are allowed to conduct certain experiments that would lead us to become carbon free. But taking that for granted, we cannot risk such incidents to be happening in India because it is totally destroying the geographical layout of India. So we have to be responsible enough and avoid such issues, because there are a lot of people involved who are living near the mines and dams. So we have to really hold responsible for that. And next is about hockey. Whole World Cup is going to be held in 2023 in Odisha. So this is a very, very brave step for the Odisha's chief minister to be taking, because it was last year also it was held in Bhubaneswar in 2018, and this is the first time in history. Consequently, it is happening in the same country. It is because of the Odisha's tribal dominated hockey cradle Sundagar district, because they are so passionate towards hockey and they are making the men's World Cup commence at Rourkela. So this is like happening so swift because of Mr. Chief Minister Odisha, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and he has taken it officially for the first time in 2023. He has spent 260 crores to build a new stadium which could accommodate 20,000 spectators and 225 five-star facility rooms to accommodate players and officials. Also, he has built a whole new airport to transport to the stadium. So look at the passion that had made them do so much in such a short span of time with the coronavirus, and we also witnessed a pandemic, and in spite of all those, they have done so much. So yeah, so they are really looking forward to win gold in the World Cup, because in 2021 they have got a bronze medal. So there is a hunger for India in success. Even in 1970, we have bagged a bronze medal, and silver in 1973 and gold in 1975. So it was nearly 48 years ago we have grabbed a World Cup. So we will wait and see what happens and how India performs as well as hosts this mega event. It is going to begin from tomorrow. So we'll wait and see. Thank you. Bye.